Did you know that if you drop a feather and a rock at the same time, they'll hit the ground together? That's because of a superpower called gravity. Now you might be wondering, what is this gravity? Well, it's a force that pulls everything down towards the earth. Think about it. When you jump, you always land back on the ground, right? That's gravity in action. Imagine an apple falling from a tree. The apple doesn't fly off into the sky, but instead it falls straight down. Why? You guessed it. It's all thanks to gravity. And not just apples. Gravity is the reason why we don't float away into space. It keeps us grounded, literally. It's like an invisible string that holds us close to our lovely planet. So the next time you're playing catch or jumping on your bed, remember it's gravity that's bringing you back down. It's truly a magical superpower, don't you think? Ever wondered why you can see your favorite cartoon on TV? It's all thanks to something called light. Now, light is a pretty amazing thing. It's what makes it possible for us to see everything around us. But how does it do that, you ask? Well, let's think about a sunny day at the park. You're playing with your bright red ball. The sunlight comes down, bounces off the ball, and races into your eyes. And just like that, you see your ball. But it's not just the sun that gives off light. Lamps, television screens, even fireflies, they're all sources of light. Now imagine you're in a dark room watching a movie. The light from the screen travels across the room, bounces off the images on the screen, and enters your eyes. That's how you can see the movie. So the next time you're watching your favorite show, remember it's light that's making it all possible. Now that you're a mini physics expert, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, imagine you're a superhero. What's the superpower that keeps us from floating off into space? If you said gravity, you're absolutely correct. Gravity is like the world's biggest magnet, keeping us firmly planted on the ground. Next, imagine you're in a pitch-black room. What do you need to be able to see things? If light popped into your head, that's spot on. Light helps us see the world around us, brightening up even the darkest of places. Finally, here's a tricky one. What would happen if we dropped a feather and a rock at the same time? Would they fall at the same speed? You bet they would. In the absence of air resistance, they'd hit the ground at the same time. A fun fact courtesy of our friend Gravity. Great job! You're on your way to becoming a real physics whiz. Keep exploring and asking questions. And check us out at Kids Wonder Hub for more exciting learning adventures.